Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to enable discounts at checkout. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, too, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you go down to the description section to sign up for your free trial today. And also, too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section, so make sure you check those out as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk through how to enable discounts at checkout, both on your funnel and also in your store. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do it for the funnels. So we're going to go to funnels, and I'm going to click this cart test funnel, and then I'm going to click on edit. And this is the checkout element, and I'm going to go to settings, and then order summary. And then where it says coupon field, I want it to be enabled for it to show on the checkout element. So that's how you enable discounts at checkout for your funnels. And now we're going to do it for your store. So I'm back at the home page of my ClickFunnels workspace, and I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side, and then I'm going to go to store, and then overview. And then I'm going to click customize store. And this is my store, and I'm going to go over here to the left, and I'm going to click checkout. Right here is the checkout page, and I'm going to scroll down and go to the checkout element. I'm going to click on it, and then same thing, I'm going to click on order summary, and then coupon field, I'm going to have it enabled so that it shows the discount field. And that's how you enable discounts at checkout. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by booking a call in the description section, or feel free to comment below underneath this video, and I'd love to help you out.